How to buy Flare AI token. So this token came under the symbol of FLAI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any product that you find on my channel. Please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, this token it will be listed on the MEXC on 3 on this month. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC, fund it with some USDT, and buy this token on it. So how to buy this token on MEXC? What you need to do? So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, go and open your MEXC account, as you can see. So go back to this post and copy this symbol of that token FLAI. Copy it. Now type it in search here. You will be able to find the pair here. Click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, as you can see, this page will be pop up here. So as you can see, this token it will be alive about 14 hours. So after this 14 hours is ended, you will be able to buy this token on your MEXC account. What you need to do, just click on limit on markets. On markets, click here and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of USDT in order to buy this token. After that, click on buy FLAI. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy the FLAI token, and you will be able to buy this token on your MEXC account. So this is how to buy FLAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.